Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mendaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if you're coming across an issue with the Microsoft Rewards with the error message. It's not you, it's us. Something unexpected went wrong on our end. We will resume service as soon as possible. Try to refresh the page or check back in a few hours to keep enjoying Microsoft Rewards. If the error persists in the coming hours, please create a customer support ticket. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to click on the three dot icon dito lang sa upper right side. So i-click mo lang yan. And next step is scroll down. And then select mo lang dito yung help and feedback. And then next step. And then select mo lang dito yung about Microsoft Edge. So click mo lang yan. And wait natin na makomplete yung checkings for updates and updating Microsoft Edge. Mga kaibigan, kailangan lang natin yan gawin para ma-fix yung error. Okay, so makikita nyo na dito na na-complete na yung updating niya to finish updating. So kailangan lang natin mag-restart. Okay, so dito lang sa right side makikita mo dito yung restart. So click mo lang yan. So makikita nyo na dito sa about na Microsoft Edge is up to date. Okay, so open tayo ng another tab. So Control plus T mo lang siya. And then punta tayo dito sa Microsoft Reward. And then dito lang sa upper right side makikita mo dito yung Microsoft Reward. So click mo lang yan. And then click mo lang dito yung Microsoft. Okay, so makikita nyo na dito na na-open na yung Microsoft Rewards natin. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to fix Microsoft Rewards error. Something unexpected went wrong on our end. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.